In this video, we'll delve into the powerful skill of active listening, a communication art that goes beyond the surface, fostering meaningful connections and understanding. Join us on this journey as we explore the nuances of active listening, its impact on relationships, and the key techniques to become a proficient practitioner of this invaluable skill. Active listening is a communication skill that goes beyond simply hearing words. It involves a dynamic and engaged process of fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said. In active listening, the listener strives to comprehend the speaker's message from their perspective, demonstrating genuine interest and empathy. This process requires the listener to refrain from interrupting, withhold judgment, and focus on the speaker without allowing distractions to interfere. Non-verbal cues, such as nodding, maintaining eye contact, and providing feedback, are essential components of active listening, as they signal attentiveness and encourage the speaker to express themselves openly. By actively listening, individuals can foster stronger connections, build trust, and enhance the quality of communication in various personal and professional relationships. Ultimately, active listening contributes to a deeper understanding of others, promoting effective dialogue and creating an environment conducive to mutual respect and collaboration. As we wrap up our exploration of active listening, remember that it's not just a skill, but a mindset that can transform the way we engage with others. By honing your ability to truly listen, you're not only improving communication, but also building bridges of empathy and understanding. So let's commit to being active listeners in our conversations, creating spaces where everyone's voice is heard and valued. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content that empowers and enriches. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep listening actively.